What's up YouTube, it's your boy OMG Pips. Today's video for the week starting on 12th May and trading on the 13th. Alright, so the first pair that I'll be looking at is Euro USD. Don't mind these are previous setups that I had. They're still running, right? The inner one hit TP actually. The intro was here, TP was there, and it made it. But the first one still running, the TP is there. It was almost hit here, but it didn't. So it's still running. You hear me. But like we're in a bullish price delivery type. So we had a break of structure right here, right? We had a break of structure there, and we have a breaker block right there. Have a fair value gap right there. This low is most likely to get swept. But for now, when we go to the daily, it's like we have this break of structure, right? This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Had a break of structure. Then we had the fair value gap. I had a fair value gap, which means price is going higher. Should be going higher, but at the same time we have this goddamn bruh. Nah, it's going low. You know what, let's say we were going down, right? Break of structure, fair value gap, break block, order block, mitigation. I think we're still going high. To this buy side liquidity right here. You hear me? I think we're still going hard to that buy side liquidity. So this isn't relevant to me right now because I don't think price is good. Okay, it could be coming down here. It could come down here, but I think it'll respect this break of structure right here. I think it'll respect that break of structure and also respect this fair value gap. So once that is respected, and on the 1 hour we have this break of structure and we have this fair value gap. On a 15-minute, you can see break of structure right there, the break of structure right there, and after that break of structure we have an inverse fair value gap in here. It's very tiny, but nonetheless it is a fair value gap, right? Nonetheless it is a fair value gap. I'm not making you sleep, bruh. I'm not making you sleep. Pardon me. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy OMG Pips back at it with another banger. Today, man, we're looking at Euro USD. Just a continuation of the previous video that cut short, but like, got my entry on this inverse fair value gap right here, right there. Go up to the 1 hour. We see we have an order block, so I'm gonna just move the entry just about there, just so we can clear this order block. And TP on this high 126.43 setup, right? And if the bitch don't hold, okay, cool. So we go to Euro GBP. We have another trade running. That setup still running, and this setup, I don't think I'm gonna temper too much with this, except say nah, let me just leave this one. Go to Euro JPY. Tell me why you lie. Euro JPY, I won't lie to you, I don't see much. It's like choppy much price action, except I can see we're going or an uptrend type, but it's nothing. Go to EuroCAD, go to the weekly, and on the weekly looks to me we are heading for this inverse fair value gap at least, and all the way up into this buy side liquidity. So I know next week I'm looking for bullish price action. So with that being said, go down to the daily time frame, and on the daily you can see we had break of structure right there, mitigated this order block. We had another break of structure right there, we just mitigated the order block. So this tells me we are going to have a bullish price action from here, at least into that inverse fair value gap. Go down to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, I had marked this FVG and price has mitigated it now. So the break of structure is right there, fair value gap mitigation right there. So put a buy side liquidity right there. Go down to the 1 hour, see we mitigated that fair value gap. The only PDRA I see is this order block. Go down to the 15. On the 15 we had a fair value gap down here. We had a fair value gap down there, got mitigated. Then we had this break of structure, and after the break of structure, before the break of structure actually, we have this order block. It's 15-minute order block. So the 15-minute order block is there, the 1 hour order block is here. So I have my entry just on the 15-minute order block, put my stop loss below this low right there, then have my TP on the buy side liquidity, which is a 1.4 to 8 setup, right? That's how I'm gonna have it. That's my analysis for EuroCAD. Cool. What's next? USD CAD, we go to the daily, or go to the weekly actually. Always start on the higher time frame, then go down to the lower ones. I like to start on the weekly because the monthly to me isn't that relevant, you know. So on the weekly, you see price has been ranging. The highest buy side liquidity is this level. That's the highest buy side liquidity. The lowest is this sell side liquidity right here. Then we have we took out this buy side liquidity right here, took out that buy side liquidity right there. Then we mitigated this fair value gap right here. Price started from here, took out this buy side liquidity, came back down, mitigated the fair value gap, and now it's starting to rise for this buy side liquidity up here, or eventually up to that one there. I'll just mark this right like that. My analysis tells me this is where price is heading to. So why did it come down here? Came down here because of the fair value gap and the order block. So I don't think we have actually we might have, because we have a head and shoulders in here. So this is a swing low that just got created. You can see we have this candle, then that candle, then that candle, lower low, higher low. That is a swing low, which tells me price might be ready to start buying higher, right? So that is my TP right there, but I can even have it right here just because I have TP1, TP2, and TP3. So next week I'm looking for bullish momentum, a candle to form to the upside. And as you can see on the daily, price action is a little bit clearer. We have a break of structure right there, we have a fair value gap, and then price is rejecting. So tomorrow, starting Monday, I'm expecting price to push higher. So I got to and on the 4 hour, mitigated this consequent encroachment. The 4 hour mitigated a consequent encroachment. So let's see what's happening on the. So I enter right down here and take price all the way up. It's that okay? I like this setup. I'm feeling this setup. Hear me? took out liquidity right here in the 1 hour. See, this is why I'm liking this. Took out liquidity there, then okay, on the 1 hour we have this fair value gap, so it looks like a great entry point. So I'll have one entry right here, boom, my stop loss just below that low, and my TP right there. So that is 6% setup, 6% setup on the 1 hour. On the 15-minute, okay, this is where it gets tricky now, because on the 15-minute we have, all right, now fuck it, on the 15-minute we have this fair value gap down here. So I'll move this entry to this 15-minute fair value gap, and when I take it to the 1 hour, you see we're covering this order block. So this is my entry instead of this fair value gap. We use this fair value gap. Let me just change the color. We use that fair value, that 1 hour order block type shit. So now we have a 1 to 9 setup, right? Cool. So from USD CAD we go to Euro odd, Euro AUD, Euro Australian dollar, Euro odd. Let me just clear the chart. Okay, Euro odd. It is odd. I just use the most recent swings. So we have that level, we have that level, we have this level, and we have that level. All right, so we took out that this, had a break of structure right here, came back down and mitigated the inverse fair value gap. So I feel like we're heading for that buy side liquidity right there. So we have this break of structure right here, then we mitigated this, we just mitigated that order block, and price to me looks like it's about to type shit, yeah, right. The goal is to start looking for buy setups on the daily. Just mitigated that order block right there, mitigated that order block. 4 hour, kind of 4 hour, I feel like we're not done yet. We see on the daily we have an order block. Cool. On the 4 hour, the first break of structure was this one right here, right? So we had that fair value gap, then we have this order block in here, which I feel like is more reliable than the daily order block. So since we have the 4 hour order block right there, go to the 1 hour. So I'll put it here. I'll put my entry right here on this order block, on this 1 hour order block. I'll put my entry right there, put my stop loss just below that low. Okay. TP, take it high. Still on the order block, innit? Go back on 4 hour, on the daily, like that, on the weekly, like that. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see how these setups will progress, you can join my free Telegram group, link in the description. Check that shit out. It's your boy OMG Pips, signing out.
And remember, forex we're talking about, we came in this game for money. We came in this game to earn a living. So we are not here to play games.